to the Izzo. That's Jay-Z on Kaya FM 95.9, home of the Afropolis.
There is Jay-Z.
What the food there?
The food with Kuli.
Okay, how about that?
How about that?
How was your Valentine's Day, Skumbi?
What Valentine's Day, Joe?
How?
I've never been this sick in my life.
On Valentine's Day?
I've been sick since Sunday, bravo.
Bien.
As ukugula kwami ku escalating ngathi icyclone yini lento siphethe
Dino.
bravo yazi yo Nkosi uNkulunkulu bami ngiyabonga yazi bravo ngicela ngaphatha ini heartburn yini no ngenze
when's it manicure I'm like
ngenze manicure
you have to
come on Skumbi no man
no ngenze
high school
what's wrong with you
why
what's wrong with you
Manicure starts with 3 letters. What are they?
Man, thank you. Moving right
along. Yeah.
So ngicela ngaphatha
men trying to own manicures. What has life become, Mar?
It starts with 3 letters. Please name those letters.
So is menopause, but let's go.
Wow, that's M-E-N.
It's fine. All of you collectively. Plural. It's fine. Let's go.
So anyway, yeah. Wakula mfowethu.
Azangikule kanje bravo. Ngicela ngaphatha i-heartburn. Ngathi mhlambe umuntu uzoba right yabo.
Yeah.
What's it? God is God.
Ngishaye yonke into ngavuka Monday. Shaya yonke into ecede silungulela. Angithi yazi sinama remedy wethu thina.
Sure.
But inesihlahla screen uspoil uthi 3 amathis yazi that's so fun. Apoya lesihlahla siyahlaba bathi ungaphuze
ihlaba. Guess what?
Asi ini?
Alu.
Ha ngesilungu la esaka thina sithi isihlahla saka gogo mahlaselo ongazokubuza ukuthi asina where I come from asina alu.
Oh, okay, all right.
Brabo bagna alu yazi. Isihlahla saka gogo mahlaselo
That's it.
wenyanga. Ngiyeka gogo mahlaselo and sikhulumisana la gogo obvious ngisitshontshile.
Yeah. That's what
Ay. Yakanga le yakho. Gogo mahlaselo yakanga uyazazi yakanga la gogo. Unokufakela inyitshali mara gogo mahlasela this week akezwa next week akaboni nini akakwazi le gogo unama symptoms womuntu oshonile ngicocela ngokugula kwami yahleka gogo mahlasela akahambi gogo mahlasela and akaholi imali yakhe bamlethela live endlini
Isasa.
Bayamsaba gogo mahlasela.
Okay.
So ngiyeke gogo mahlasela ngitshontshe lesihlahla chap ebusuku anginandaba ukuthi uzobona anginandaba ukuthi uzoyenzana ngisibilise brapop ngiphuze ke Monday ngivuka ngoWest Monday ngiyavuka ngivaleka isifuba ngisakhona ukuphefumula ngithi nayimhlola mina ngumuntu wakhuluma ngathi ngathi radio ngeke stationini okubona bafuna ikhaya benzofaka 95 ufaka 95.8 bese ubhobo uzothi fantastic bese Tuesday inkodole ngithi yazini natsamaya ngoku ukubona ukubona ugule bese ugcina ubuza imile yakhe into eyibhedda baby i-ID yami ingakophi la
Yeah.
why imile mangazi ujabulile ngokulokugula kwami or reset akanginiki le treatment engifuna ubona mawugula umuntu akakhethela isopo le garlic porridge brabo oats
and margarine
brabo angitholanga right
nothing baba
Chokimi sikenzela isinko ne peanut butter ngathi lo makangahamba yena kuqala ngajabula kule ke Tuesday Wednesday ngithi angeke ngiyeka doctor bathi une flu ne fever cabanga zingibambe zonke ngine flu ne fever nama tonsillitis asama tonsils tonsillitis and then bathi give me I don't rest ngithi resting ngenapi kuleni kwe flu Bilungu bayithanda mali you don't rest bangihlaba injection and I understand why injection ye flu fanele ihlatshwe kule ndawo kanti ziningi into soft emzimbeni wami why fanele lusisa ehlisa body and I'm more excited Jesus kumba yazikwaziwa kuphi Jesus kumba
Nice.
Talent that spirit bangigcobisa la imva bangiyohlaba injection.
Obviously.
Yeah, let's just think and smile why?
akaloku
fanele ngithole medical aid le ndaba ukuthi umuntu avela ema-clinic nje
ayisebenzi papi
but khumula nawe bhuti khumula siyithuna le out
ungenaphi yena
khumula nawe sesimeke kanje siyithuna elengapha umswati lokuthi ayi sayifaka inkingeni futhi ngiyalo batahlaba
no
bahlabe bob ngono no like ngono no
Okay.
Fresh nyana.
All right.
fresh nyana fresh ngono mara 100% mara ngono kunalento bengiyiyo
At least sure.
yo
At least.
sengiyazi ukuthi ukuphatha yini lento like braba bukabona bakhona ukuphefumula
like asthma and stuff
angiyazi asthma ikazi ngiphatha
Phathwa yini gout?
yeah ngiba hey buhlungu lento
Gout? That's too early.
no
Not even I have gout.
Juju had gout.
I
What do
eat
you
my
mean?
meat.
no ngithi wena
gout.
uphuza le lama juice ase angadabo moringa yini lento or obvious awuna gout une moringa ngithi uphuza moringa hey thina sinama gout sidla inyama ne whiskey every week
Yebo.
You can't have gout, man.
He's got a terrible lifestyle, wena Bobina.
no braba bangithi wena une menu thina sina menu siyayenza nje
Van Damme as Honorable Manamela pointed out, kuhlulekile ukubulala isona.
Sambe siyawubulala uBandamu namhlanje.
Angazi ukuthi wayevuke nini ngoba wabulawa ngeNews Day.
listen to the laugh azoba njani manje ubaba uyazazi ukuthi bazomreplace vele yabo like wabona so yazi itheme yami yaphela
Yeah.
yini engayenza engabadini ukubona mhlambe bokuqashile bro Bob usele nga 3 months and unegesi 700 and something yini engaye ngafryani like aspiration ukubona khomutso bona budget ye 10,000 and wamema abantu badla 1.8 uthi oye ngilana namabhi asikene kuma whiskey uthi funda
Ufe ubuvuke nini?
Yeah.
At least he's got a sense of humor, guys.
Whatever.
Cool. Asinasikhathi sama sense of humor. I-country is going down the drain. Sinama sense of humor. Asinasikhathi salento leyo.
Thank you very much.
No, sininte serious fanele sikhulume ngazo. Akunabantwana abantu abashonele emva kwetraka. Kunabantwana abantu abebang emva kwetraka abashona. Uyadlala yena. Uyadlala. Khona sinenkinga serious. Khona manje abodinewa abakhona ingena ngapha abana ama passport. Siningi. Ubudine bastakile eMozambique bafuna ungena abana ama passport. Uyazi mabakangena lana abantu bamapikanto bayahlupheka kanjani. Sinenkinga serious sikhandi. Uzokhuluma Van Damme. Sinenkinga serious abo O'Sullivan bayangena amajele bayaphuma. Yazi abo O'Sullivan mara yazi
Yeah. I want to allow it.
No, O'Sullivan, so bamambopha fanele bamnike in notice ye 48 hours before bamlanda Bob mina nawe siyazi ukuthi mina ukuthi banokulanda ebirthday nomntana wakho wena basajamba bhamikazi uzwe ubaba bamfaka amahenga boy leso sikhathi wobo wosa njengoba bakhona inyama iyasha ivorce ibhokile ikhiphe lamafutha umlulu phezulu amaphoyisa wanandaba ayakubopha akuna notice akuna next bakuthatha bakufaka evenini abantwana ba traumatize abantwana asinandaba baya esikoleni banjalo abelungu sorry we need to arrest you.
Imagine.
So today is Friday. We will come pick you up on Monday.
How about 10 o'clock?
How about that?
Angavuki ngo10. Aningilanda la kubo 12. Angene ngo12 aphume ngo4 Bob. Thina abelungu bana ama privilege. No, abelungu bana ama privileges. Yey elokishini bana ngokubopha ususpend family yakho ngicabanga usathi uyabona ukabona uphethe ama ribs. Uqeda ukuligamula and yazi ngithi kunokuza nekhombo ichicken namabisi ichicken ngiyaqina ngale chicken
No.
ichicken ibeka so ngiyaqina ngale awuthingqale ngale ribs
Bobo.
babeka namanzi ane lemon la ne endawo kwajoyela amanzi ngithi ukhipha ifamily uyazi zolawula ngendlini so ukuthi athi ngithi nje
Yeah.
ngithi ukuthi usageza izandla uthi ribs uyalivula uza Mr Mabena yini bathi ungathi yini sizokulanda chance angagezi nezandla like ichicken ukonje bakupha manje uyakhot manje hayi yokhuzuka usawuhlala base police station boma 72 hours bese bazokubhesuka into ecela ubuza sorry love azango la chicken lesela lapha ayifakanga usikhava abanyana ukubona police station yobhesuka kubhlungu uthole out imile lapha bazoyibona abazali bayi bathi mthokozisi nasi sinko loaf brown loaf and amaphoyisa afanele ayivula icheck ukuthi ayina drugs ayivula amaphoyisa seyivithikile ngathi mince meat le loaf brown bese bakunika yona mama anina masinyana ukuthi vele ngixova O'Sullivan Joe O'Sullivan une appointment yokuboshwa bese baqeda athi lo O'Sullivan wena ulwela thina sorry kancane but mlungu mina sorry kancane baba mina angicela ngo-O'Sullivan ukuthi alande lo muntu amaphoyisa ukuthi uthenga iTV nesound angendawo mina
Yeah.
la kunezinto engafuna ukuzifaka kuzo khomuthi le phoyisa ukuthi lenzani ngemali anginandaba ngoba le country vela ngithi sonke sinama skeletons ushilo lo yamama lo yawa sonke sinama ushilo umboye la video yakhe 6 seconds ushilo mama uthi yazi sonke mamba thabile mara mamba thabile fana ka rehab ayi asiringeni
She doesn't drink, don't do that.
She doesn't.
No, she doesn't drink.
Unani? There must be a symptom. No, let's discuss it.
What?
Let's discuss it.
Class for a
Alright.
10.
Makaphuzi ngiyavuma na makaphuzi.
Yes.
Unani ke? Yile ekwenza ukuthi ube ngathi unani. Komutho. Mina I'm not afraid to say ngiyaphuza yabo.
Yeah.
And
Yancana ama
ugokwami uyasidonsela masaka happy nyamazi njalo. Mamba thabile nogokwami. Same WhatsApp group. Same WhatsApp group. Ngithi yaphuza.
Awuthi
Mara
uyaphuza.
angithi yaphuza. No nyasho namanje leyo. Angithi yaphuza. Mara ama symptoms abo. Komutho. Hayi. Lamam uzathi. Akhotha nomlomo ngithi mama mama uyagula kunento emphetha kasho yini as a country sikhona ukuthola icure asino rule abantu abangekho right no umuntu no and we can't keep quiet about it no akaphuzi siyazi ku right ngiyavuma namlomo unani ke umama uphethwe yini
No, uyasile wena bhuti wami.
mhlawumbe mama unama feet lokhu ubhizi wenza so bese ayafainta ngelinye ilanga sithinthi ngoba ubhizi ugwinya mathe uyaqwayiza ukubona uqwayiza ngathi ukabona imini switch lokiwa uplug igedlele lokuthi leligqopha umama uyacima uyalight yini ephethwe umama okay brother bungadlali niyabuza bafethu angifuna sicede manje la umuntu unano uthi umama ushow wena ukuthi akakazi wabuthini
Bathe akaphuza. Spokesperson sakhe after apologizing for ukuthuka abantu uthi akaphuza.
Yeah, no problem. Akaphuza ngiyavuma nani. Unani? Yini lengake kuphatha uzucwayize kanje?
Yini ucwayiza?
Binyama thu mama. Yamazi umuntu okhali thothi.
Ayifunge.
Ngithu yamadambi ngiyangaba right. Angithi mama unjalo. Ngizweni kahle futhi. Don't misunderstand me and start quoting me. Unani? No, serious. If Bob. Umama ngeke vela xwayize. Phambi kwecamera. Mama uyokhomya. Mama yini? Mama khumuzo abantu bayafaint abantu banama fits abantu bana ninani Bob yini lezifo zabantu abadala
High blood pressure. Diabetes.
Mhlawumbe uyadiabetes umama Mama uyadiabetes akasho ukuthi bafethu bantwana bami mina angikho right mina diabetes yabo so manje ngibona ngiqwayiza ngigwinya mathe
Ushukela wami.
mangabe ngibona ngathi ngizowa ngithi ningathuki asinto enkulu bangasenzi guess ukuthi umama unani because mina ngiyayazi iphapalaza iyangiphatha every weekend Prapop uyayazi papi yamazi masabe iphapalaza Prapop akatweet ngoba uzofaka izandla zatatazela angabhala ngo B izandla ziyangingiza ma unephapalaza umama after sona angazi ori la ngaphansi kunamanip angazi Cala senze ni reality show eParliament sibalandele bonke once ukuthi sibe sure ukuthi umama vela kabuthi
Whitney Houston on Kaya FM 95.9, home of the Afropolitan. So you feeling better?
Manginani right.
All right.
Yeah,
Oh, that's nice. That's cool.
Whitney Shem. May soul rest in peace.
I know, but Whitney,
Yes.
there were like 12 different substances found in one body.
Ish.
Kukubaxa
That's
oko.
that's another
12.
issue.
From prescription drugs to marijuana to cocaine to
Seriously?
syrup. Yeah, it was a party in that body.
Ish.
Ujosh Michael bazomnqoba ngomatch.
No! Are you serious?
Why are they waiting?
Basafuna ama substance.
Why they insisting? I'm suspect.
I'm suspect. Fenchi.
No, makame.
Yazi family nemali bese kufa umuntu onemali. Bese abathi angeke.
No.
Angeke. Uboy bambiza boy, uboy. Ahambe kuthulwe. Never. Mathiliso ofuna khuluma ngeke. Investigate asifake amaphoyisa, sifuna ma blood tests. Sifuna mathiliso asho ukuthi bebalolana no boy. And uboy azangagule besilala last year. Boy akakhwehlelanga.
Emlesekhaya.
Boy bekangekho grey. Boy bekangaluzi bathi ubulwa inerve le nerve ngathi uba bakaSimphiwe ahlala ala kuma nerves ami angazi ama nerves ne nerve
Yabazi abantu bethu.
eno mamkhulu okhalane ne ene uyophe death certificate akaniniki amkhulu fanele seclaim ini iclaim imali zaka boy hey nyani khapha
Hey,
hade brethi nyani khapha yeah makuphuma 8.5 athi lethani mara antimali zethu ufile wena Nam mthatha imali zomuntu hey nayi mhlobo nithi imali labantu abafile niyethaka ubuthakathi lobo uhleli naye ematrasini so umatras ama death certificate wenza ama copy wabekela unama hips angithi wafakela ima hipsini akobe kancane ubona nje igama la kaBoy lamampela angithi Ignatius ubona Igni ubona Igni no death certificate amboni lokuthi antaningi aniye toilet that's for in nali bucket la ninjalo ukambona umuntu oyi toilet nama death certificate how anti lawyer abu akanalala ulala nawo umathiliso la akakhona uclaim imali uzosiclaima ngabani ikuba death certificate
Fethu aunt.
Antefni uDefni igama lakhe
Def.
Maybe the next typhoon should be named Typhoon Daphne.
and the next guy ilabo andlaba akasonti into emdina on boys on dezayona yazi amazayona ayizela nje baze kubani lapha abashesha kunento benesizibale
Oh Lord.
inkomo mayifika why ibheke entshonalanga why into ezibona labo boy ayibheke eMpumalanga mos inkomo la ikhayibheka ngapha nisibizele ezinye izifo and yazi makashoniwe bathi ithanga awulithenga ithanga awuthenga ithanga kunama family bathi ungathenga ithanga
Why?
hayi bathi uma wathenga ithanga ubize esinye isifo
Wow.
Oh, boy.
umkopho lalela
But nuts.
mina makashoniwe kune family yami mayingashona ufuna uthenga isaka lamathanga ngithi bambani khona ngabafuni
Nasty.
mara kunabantu amara baba skovinivar kunabantu babhalisile bro mara bavayi Ningangenza ngathi ngihlela mina ngiyi-1. Brathi, siringeni bafethu. Hayi. Brathi, i-time amalivaya ungangitshela ukuthi wena i-time amalivaya. Azange kube nephathi yakhe ethi mara ngine-10 sigodonyana kunenya sedladle nayibhodi uma-tax akashoni uma-tax jo bashone bonke abantwana bakibo usela yi-1 unokulala umvusa thula uthi hayi i-taxin uze tu alala usadu follow ama-relative uzithimule my text. Sugan man. Yeah, man.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, no, there are people that we look at, right? And we feel like, man, we can't believe these people are still single. I mean, in this room alone, I mean, how is Khomozo Meso still single?
Because
it's beyond me.
How is Kuli still not single?
Because
beyond me.
we
No, we're not.
We're not compelled.
The question is not to you. The question is not to you. We are talking about you, but you can't say anything.
It's beyond me.
Yeah, exactly. So why the hashtag is can't believe they're still single.
Yeah.
And by single we mean you are not hitched to somebody.
I was married. Why must I get married again?
No,
hitched.
It's not about you.
I apologize. Sorry.
Yeah, you think this is trending SA? This is not about you.
Mama, dark chocolate.
All right.
Shut up,
So, and somebody who's on the hot chair today, and we still can't believe they're single. Jessica Mkos is coming in.
She's single.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mr. Taylor said no.
Khomozo single.
I think Kuli Roberts and I are going to the Jazz in Cape Town. Are you going to be at the Jazz, Scooby?
I would love to, Joe.
You'd love to. Okay, let me tell the listeners as well about the Kai FM listener tour to Cape Town International Jazz Festival, which is coming up. It's a weekend where you will get to enjoy more than just jazz. The package includes a 3-night stay at the Sun International Table Bay Hotel. Fantastic hotel. It's a 3-night stay, of course. Scenic tour along the mountain region of Franschhoek. That's scenic route. Hey, that's scenic route. Plus a weekend pass to Cape Town International Jazz Festival.
It's a beautiful
not like
route.
Friday only or Saturday only. Weekend pass. Okay, weekend pass. That's what you get.
Cape Town is beautiful.
Yeah. I forget sometimes how beautiful it is until I'm there. You know what I mean?
Cape
So
Town is nice.
this is giving you all of that. And you can now choose a package starting from 13,228 Rand. You can book today by visiting clubtravel.co.za. The Kai FM listener tour to Cape Town International Jazz Festival, brought to you in partnership with Sun International.
And John, you were speaking to the guy Oangara Cape Town.
Yes, Domingos, yes.
Nice. That was a nice interview.
Stop stalking us, Wena.
I'm listening. I hear you radio station.
But the nicest analysis we had was the phone call that between our president and Donald Trump.
Bakhulume ngani? Mina ngifana manje baselokuthi angikho awe ngazinye izinto. Bathe uTrump uzofanele udede. Yabo. Uthi time bathi charge phone. Because yasazi thina ngithi ifone ucharge mase konje ngine call.
I don't know. We don't have full details. This is bilateral. Yeah, he called.
Put orange.
Orange, nyanya.
Ay orange la president. Yeah.
Ngwengwe. Ngwengwe le.
Ufanele ubaba. Kaze bakhuluma ngani? Hey Donald. Donnie. Is this Jacob? Hey, Donnie. Mazwa masakasha English yakhe. Lo English yakhe mayenga scriptwanga. Angiyazi ukuthi State of the Nation yabhala ngama capital letters like bamphalela abanye ama page ama draw. No, ama draw wrong. Like if your page State of the Nation uzokhuluma police all protocol observe and stuff namagama abantu acknowledge uBrathabo neMedica Brathabo kube right. Second page ke ama issue nyana from lab afanaka ngambhalile number awusiyazi inumber ukuthi rough from le ngoba basabhala inumber baya draw ama picture makhuluma nge-mining industry a draw mine faka abantu abanama boots namapiki so uzobona ukuthi uzothini yena Makhuluma ngebhedlela nani baveza ama-drip baveza amapilisi baveza injection uyazi alright siku-hospitalize page makavulelela page transport eventual navili kushuthi sine-trouble kushuthi sinenkinga ye-transportation e-South Africa ivili lime kanjena kunomfazi oyi-1 okwatile ome kanjena road rage athi apage for that awuthengithi kuvela abantwana abaningi athi mami imali ye-grant Eli Pirates ivale bafethu before
Why
sivale.
Pirates?
Oh, shame, man.
Yini lento abahappy jele badlale bafaka ama-bra
Yeah, guys,
saw
I did
that.
ask.
What are you talking
And
about?
everybody looked at me as if I
Alright.
was mad.
We saw that.
Okay, by-Pirates angithi icala bayikora 6 mayiqede lapho the following madlala nevetha athola red card so ngoba angazi or coach yethu angazi or Augusto kunento ayiphuzela yona ayi-1
The player.
yeah Augusto athi jela vimbi ujela khumula iskip how
What was sports bra?
ufake ibra
Hey, banda.
yazi abantu beyi-sports bra yithi ngoba ngathi sinabo ama-cleavage nyana ujele iphepha nje iphepha lephepha
How?
nangumuntu aveze ibra ngithi
Ibone bra eli. I was like, why is he wearing a
Are they
bra?
losing because babhizi ngezibra?
la sitholela angazi ngaveza ngasemkhulu uda Ivan akuthazwana asitholeni umuntu oPirates ezela as explain kunento wrong le lalela jo ngicela bayeka gogo mahlasela la gogo jo
Yeah, sihlahla sakho mahlasela.
sakho mahlasela ba round okwaye emntwini bro angazi okwaye emntwini bese banihlalise kuPrama Stove
Yeah.
How?
Uhlala kuPrama
Prama
stove
stove.
as a chair.
First time I was 11 years old. Prama stuff.
fine.
There was not even a window. Call him Popo.
yes awukazi na emntwini
No.
siyaye ebantwini ke thina how kodwa ayise strong kanje
Nini.
Solama Awards.
salama awards sinominate
Yebona Bobo, yebona. And I've never won a thing, so maybe that's the reason. Yeah.
ngakulunga lapha yashisa iPrama Stove kuli enile pontshwayo babeka ipoto phezulu ni9 ni roundile bese banivala ngetende lazi itende bathi rhob ngetende ukushisa okulapho
Why benchisa?
bas hayi siyafutha
Keep his nyama.
Okay.
ngihlala bese kune1 efuna ukuxoxa and sicabanga inkinga zethu uzothi I life bafethu sorry but asifuna ukwazi ngala siloku iparafini kumanje vandag se Capri vandag yeah I'm doing a show
You're Capri?
yeah Capri tonight comedy
Where's Caprivi?
Champions
Oh, but Caprivi, remember you started the ages ago.
yeah,
Okay,
I'm there
nice.
tonight with
What
my
time?
friends. Show starts at 8. Don't be late. Starts at 8. Other than that, my tickets for my one-man shows are open nationwide. Port Elizabeth, East London.
I saw a
Witbank.
pamphlet about a picnic.
Yes, we're doing a picnic no Mashabel.
Where?
Kempton Park, Trisnemant.
Kempton Park.
Yes,
Where?
ngiyifoza much.
4th of March.
Yes, Tibo uyadlala naye la.
Oh,
Uzwana, kuzoba
right.
mnandi. Yes,
No.
it's gonna be nice.
It looks nice, that one.
Yeah,
That one looks nice.
It's gonna be
Invite
yeah,
us.
crazy.
Great
So,
us where your
with that being said,
Congratulations.
Bob, congrats program.
Thank you.
Sayawina la idea mfethu.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Warren Masimola. Congratulations, Bob Mabena. Congratulations, Anilem Dota, as well as Atemi Samtota for your nominations. I love you guys. I have a great weekend, everybody.
Anilem, I'm nominated.
8:56. Yes, she's going to win it. I've got to go
Sorry.
buy.
Why?
Sorry ngayi next week.
Ish. Bye.
Asikayi ni cap siri ngayi next week.
Ah.